Hi everyone, my name is Nick Russo and welcome to my Automating Cisco DNA Center Operations Using APIs course. With the fundamentals of software development and network programmability behind you, we can dig deeper into Cisco Digital Network Architecture or DNA Center by exploring its APIs. This course covers four main topic areas: managing the DNA Center inventory using the site architecture, creating, rendering, and deploying configuration templates, troubleshooting network problems at scale, and utilizing DNA Center Assurance for health monitoring. After completing this course, you'll be able to programmatically configure, operate, and monitor your network using DNA Center. Before beginning this course, I'd recommend the following prerequisite courses. These three courses provide the foundation of software development and programmability skills that are extended in this course. The content around Git version control, Cisco products, and general APIs will be especially helpful. I'm assuming you already have a strong background in Python programming. This fourth course follows an enterprise scenario from day 0 to day N, provisioning new routers, configuring them for daily operations, then monitoring them with streaming telemetry. I think this will provide useful context before digging into DNA Center. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about automating Cisco DNA Center operations using APIs at Pluralsight.